Good morning and welcome to today's Market Wrap. I'm Maya Keynes, joined by financial expert Eli Sterling. Eli, we've got quite a packed agenda today, starting with some big headlines in crypto and a deep dive into technical analysis across multiple assets.
Morning, Maya. Indeed, it's shaping up to be another pivotal day. Let's kick off with William Shatner's surprising stance on Bitcoin. The Star Trek icon, who once embraced blockchain enthusiastically, is now cautioning investors. He said, "I wouldn't recommend buying Bitcoin to someone I love." That's a stark contrast to his earlier involvement in NFTs and crypto projects.
Right, he even announced launching a completely new kind of token through his Stuff.io platform. What's driving this shift?
Well, Shatner's evolution reflects the broader maturation of the crypto narrative. Initially drawn to the revolutionary potential of blockchain, he now sees Bitcoin as overvalued at current levels. His pivot toward utility-driven tokens, what he calls the future of Hollywood, suggests a preference for real-world applications over speculative assets.
Interesting. Meanwhile, the infrastructure play is heating up. Bitcoin mining stocks are being called insanely mispriced as companies like Hive, Core Scientific, and Riot pivot to AI-powered high-performance computing. They're leveraging existing facilities and cheap renewable energy to tap into the booming AI sector.
Absolutely. These miners aren't just chasing the next halving, they're adapting. By repurposing ASIC hardware for GPU-intensive AI workloads, they're diversifying revenue streams. Hive, for instance, aims for a $100 million annual run rate from its Toronto facility alone. This dual-play model could unlock serious value, especially with Terawolf striking a multi-billion-dollar lease with Google-backed FluidStack.
Let's turn to technicals. We've got a lot of data points across major cryptocurrencies and equities. Starting with Bitcoin, the weekly zero-lag trend signal shows price below the declining zero-lag moving average, with relative strength index stuck around 50, a classic consolidation phase. But volatility remains high, with average true range near $5,800. Where do you see Bitcoin heading next?
The picture is mixed, but leans cautious. While relative strength index hovers neutrally, moving average convergence divergence confirms bearish momentum beneath the surface. The key Fibonacci zones between $109,000 and $112,500 act as resistance. If Bitcoin fails to break above that 61.8% retracement level, we might see a test of $105,000 support. Until then, I treat rallies as selling opportunities.
And looking at Ethereum, the daily stochastic relative strength index paints a different tone. It's deeply oversold. Yet the average directional index shows weakening trend strength, and moving average convergence divergence remains negative. Is Ethereum poised for a bounce? You're still under pressure?
Ethereum is caught in a tug-of-war. Yes, StochRSI hints at exhaustion, but volume tells a different story. Average participation with no clear conviction. The golden cross structure supports long-term optimism.
Turning to Solana, the daily buy-hold-sell indicator shows strong bearish alignment with V1 well below V2. Combine that with a sub-50 relative strength index and price consistently under the exponential moving average. Does Solana have any near-term catalysts?
Not immediately. The confluence of bearish indicators suggests continued downside risk unless there's a fundamental driver. Solana is stuck between the 38.2% and 50% Fibonacci retracement levels, indicating consolidation. A break below $187 would open the door to deeper retracements, while a move above $191 could signal bullish intent.
Switching gears to stocks, Nvidia is pulling back within its uptrend channel. The 4-hour smart trend indicator shows lower highs and lower lows, but the broader trend remains intact. What should traders be watching here?
Exactly. Nvidia is in a healthy correction, not a reversal. Key support lies between 201 to 202, coinciding with recent swing lows. As long as buyers defend that zone, the long-term uptrend stays valid. A close above 206 would confirm trend resumption, targeting new all-time highs. Otherwise, a break below $201 risks triggering deeper retracement toward 190.
Before we wrap, let's touch on policy. Trump's proposed $100,000 H-1B visa fee has sparked concerns across Silicon Valley. How might this reshape innovation and immigration dynamics?
This proposal could dramatically alter the global talent landscape. Tech giants rely heavily on these visas to recruit top-tier engineers. Increasing fees by 10x plus would effectively gate access, potentially accelerating automation efforts or pushing firms overseas. For startups especially, losing access to international talent could stifle growth and competitiveness.
Big implications indeed. To sum up, crypto miners are pivoting to AI. Bitcoin consolidates amid high volatility. Ethereum shows signs of fatigue. Solana remains pressured. And equities like Nvidia navigate corrections within larger trends. Thanks, Eli. Join us tomorrow for more insights.